Flutter cheat sheet. We will learn about the cheat sheet, means a kind of different controls which is available in the Flutter, which will be very helpful for you in regular your programming. So what is all about this cheat sheet and what I'm gonna explain you, let's see. So I'm gonna end this show and we go back to the code here. First of all, I will make one Flutter page. So it's like I can say a dart file. Okay, cheat sheet. Okay, once I named it, then if you are already aware about the Flutter, how does it actually works, so we can make it stateful, and we will have that cheat. Just type it, and with the help of this we can go ahead and this make it as a stateful. Now first thing we should learn about creating a structure of it. So how are we going to create the structure? So creating the structure is not more than that. First thing we want to learn is scaffold. Okay, so in any Flutter application, this is the first section. This is your first section. From here you can structure. Now in this thing there are two things available: app bar. Okay, and with that app bar you will learn about how does it actually works, and second thing will be body. So this is one about your simply what are the widgets and everything you will be coming into that. So this is a one section. Okay, don't focus on the error because I'm not writing the whole things. Now with this also, when you're creating the body, there can be other things which comes under this structure. So there is one thing called column. Okay, the column is actually works like this, that under the column is, as you can see, the column is straight, like from 1 down, 1 2 3, like in a vertical order, and this column has a children means like you can have a multiple widgets into this column, and how you can align it is like a column can be have like a main axis alignment and all other kind of things. So how you can do that? Simply on this column main axis alignment, and we can arrange it. So you will be using these things when you are making your application. Okay, so how there is other things also available in this. These are the properties of this column, how you can use it. So cross alignment is called the stretch, means it can fully stretch. So these are the very common things. After the column you will be also needing the row. Okay, so how we can have the row? So we can simply put it as a row. Okay, row is also like this will go in a horizontally. Row will also have a children because row can have multiple widgets, like other widgets I will explain you later on, text widgets and every other widgets. So it also has some properties, like you can also do the alignment in this. So main axis alignment, and then with the main axis alignment dot space between, space evenly, space around. These are the three properties. So you can practice and you can arrange the widgets accordingly. Also cross axis alignment. What is cross axis alignment? Means like you can say bottom to top to bottom and the right to left. So and diagonal and all these kind of things, accordingly you can arrange it. So once you will using this property, you will be simply aware about it. So this will be the row. Now there can be a situation that you will also need the things like a list. So how we can have a list view? So simply we can go it as a list view. We can simply fetch it like this list view. List view will have a directions. So it will be have direction, like because it's a list. Okay, so it can have a direction either from scroll to top to bottom, or horizontally right to left or left to right. So you can put it as a property axis dot, this is a property of it, and you can see like this horizontal. Same way you can put it as a vertical. Okay, so by default when you will take a list, it will have a vertical direction also. So shrink wrap, that's will be don't fill the main axis, means it will be like meaning of like if you put it as a bool, then it will ask you not to don't fill the main axis. Main axis is like main axis whatever you are using like vertically, those will not fill up the top section in that one. Okay, and going ahead, it also list will also have a children. Okay, so children will have, you can put it so many things in that. According to that, item count, how many item count you can put it here. When you will go ahead and in this children, you will have a widgets also. After that you can have an item count, item extent is there, item count is there. So there is a lot of things you can put it accordingly. So when we will be further making the applications, from that we can understand. Now after the list view, there is another one that's called the container. Okay, Container is a kind of, you can say, a widget which will be using have, like you can contain anything and you can do the alignment. What are the properties? Container will have child, container cannot have more. So for example, in case you want to put a container around the column and you want to give some background, what you do, container can have only one child, so you can put the column inside the container. So for example, let me finish this one. So what you're gonna do is widget, whatever the widget you want to put it, like for example the text widget or any widget, and after that other properties are alignment. Okay, alignment can be what? Alignment left, as you can see, alignment, and then it will be top left, top right, top center, whatever the alignment you want to put it. And it will be having a padding. Padding will be edge inside insets like dot all, so it will have all four sides, padding will be there. And then decoration will be there. Decoration, you can do the box decoration, we will learn that in further videos. And the width also you can define it, or height also you can define it accordingly. Okay, so these are the first section, which is all about your structure. Okay, so what I have told you, this is a structure one. Okay,